Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Stay a while, take your coat off, take a load off, and enjoy this video with me, with your girl. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. I know you, girl, it's in the beginning of the video and you probably like, girl, I don't really know you like that. But step into my office. Step in, girl. Step in. Let me say something to you. Once you hit that subscribe button and once you hit that like button, I promise you, you're not gonna regret it. Okay? Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Join the family. We are 850 people and counting. People are here for a reason. Why not be an addition? You feel me? You get me? So as you guys can see from the title of the video, today's video is something quick, short, and sweet. Today I'll be showing you guys my go-to hairstyle for when I'm procrastinating on wash day, if a braid out turned out bad or a twist out turned out bad, or I'm just like, girl, ain't nobody got time to be doing nothing. This is it. This is it, y'all. This is it. This is my go-to style. For anyone that is my coworkers that happen to watch my videos. Some of my coworkers do watch my videos and shout out to y'all. Appreciate y'all. But they already know I literally come to work like this every single day because it's just quick, it's easy, and like I don't have to think about it. You know, it's like a 5-minute style and we're done. If you guys want to see how I go from this to this, then keep watching. Listen, y'all already know what time it is, okay? I need to wash my hair. I'm giving product buildup. You should already know what time it is because you saw the title of the video. We're starting off on some very old hair. Like, I need to wash my hair. As you guys can see, the shrinkage is so, hold on, how real is she? She's very real, but it's okay because it's a part of healthy hair. If your hair shrinks, then your hair is healthy. This is what, day 6 hair, and that's why it's looking like this because life happens. First thing I like to do before putting my hair in a bun is I like to pick it out. This is just gonna add some more fullness and volume to my bun. But before I do that, I'm gonna moisturize my hair with some leave-in conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner I'm using is the Uncle Funky's Midnite Train. Y'all already know how I feel about Uncle Funky's daughter. That brand is just bomb.com. And if you haven't already seen my review on this brand, then you need to check it out. I'm gonna put the link to that video somewhere over here. I don't know if it's this side or if it's this side, but whatever. So yeah, so now I'm just going to spray my hair. And like, I really like this conditioner because as soon as I spray my hair, it instantly feels softer. And I don't really use this leave-in conditioner as like a leave-in conditioner. I kind of use it as like a curl refresher. Just when my hair needs some added hydration or softness. And I like to spray her. Now I'm just feeling my strands, making sure everything is everything. Now I'm just grabbing my pick and I'm just picking my hair out to make it bigger and fuller, getting it ready for my bun. I mean, if your hair is pretty big on day 6, you don't have to pick it out. I just personally like to pick it out so that my bun looks extra, like extra full. You feel me? Also, when you are spraying your hair, make sure to spray the perimeter. I forgot to do that just now, but let me just do that real quick because we about to brush this bad boy up. Just rubbing that in. Just rubbing it in. Now you want to grab some type of like boar bristle brush Is this what it's called? A board bristle brush. I'm using this one from the hair store. So my brother actually bought this, but he bought this from the beauty supply and gave it to me. Yeah, just get you a brush like this. I don't know, like hard, medium hard brush, not a soft brush. A soft brush will not slick all those hairs down. Okay, girl? The answer is no. So you want to get yourself like some type of like medium hard, or if your hair can handle it, hard brush. If you have texture like me, you're gonna need a hard brush, not a soft one. So now I'm just brushing. I'm brushing it all around, yeah. Next, I'm gonna grab my Eco Styler gel and I'm just gonna place the gel on the perimeter of my hair where I just brushed, and just to help with some of the flyaways, okay? And this is how much gel I'm grabbing. I'm probably gonna need more than that. Actually, hold on. I'm grabbing this much gel. Mixing it up in my hand like so, and just smoothing that in to my hair. Grabbing the same board bristle brush I used earlier and brushing the gel into my hair. If you have a nylon stocking, I do suggest that. That's probably way better than this because it's thicker. But this is what I got. So this is what I'm gonna use, okay? And I'm just bringing that around the back of my head and tying it in the front. It looks so ghetto, but listen, it gets the job done every single time. I'm just pushing it up. And the key to make your bun look super, super big, you don't want to push it up all the way up, because then your bun's gonna look really small, like really, really small. All right, and then now I'm just gonna tie it in the back, and then I just tie it twice in the back. That's it, okay? And this is what she's giving you. You could easily stop here and make it a high puff situation. Sorry, y'all, I'm bending down so you guys can see my hair. But what I like to do is grab my pick again, pick her out, just to make her even bigger and fluffier, okay? Okay, and once she's giving the desired height that I like, so I grab another hair tie. You can get any hair tie. It doesn't have to be this size or this thick. It could be smaller than this, whatever. And then I stretch it out like this. And I just place it completely over my hair. So it's giving that bun look, but my hair is still full and very, very big, as y'all can see. I'm just tucking some of that on the inside. And I'm just tucking the loose hairs within that hair tie, because I always got some loose hairs I was trying to do the most. Okay? And kind of shape it a little bit. And this is what she's looking like, child. You guys can see my forehead is giving you very much so big. I have a big forehead. It's fine. It's cool with me. It's not a big deal. What you guys can do is stop here if you're comfortable. Personally, I like my edges laid. So now I'm gonna do my edgemas. I'm gonna go lay my edges off camera, because this is not that type of party. It's not a lay your edges tutorial. It's how you get your hair in a bun. And I just showed y'all how to get your hair in a bun. So, and I'm gonna come back to you guys and show you the final look. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I was able to do my edges and just slick some of those flyaways away. And yeah, I think we did a pretty good job. Your girl is looking cute. Y'all saw what was going on before. Things were a little bit wild, things were a little bit crazy, but I was able to bring it all back together with this high top bun. It's giving sleek. It's giving, you didn't even know I was looking like a bum 5 minutes ago. It's giving high cheekbones. It's just giving. Okay. Okay. And yeah, y'all, this is what your girl's looking like. All right, guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comment section below if you like how this look turned out. Let me know in the comment section below what your go-to style is when you're having a bad hair day, because I know mine is this high top bun. very much so. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. I appreciate you guys. You guys know I do. The family is growing and we are almost at 1,000 subscribers. Last time I checked, I think I need 150 more subscribers. So run it up, y'all. Press that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Share this video with everyone and anyone that you know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.